Tired of wrestling with assembly instructions? Unsure about how to install that new dishwasher, or need an extra pair of hands to hang a shelf, picture, or artwork? Look no further. HousePro Handyman Services is here to save the day. At HousePro Handyman Services, we specialize in assembling furniture and equipment, installing appliances and fixtures, and tackling those nagging tasks on your to-do list. We're your local go-to team for making your life easier and your space more functional. Plus, we're proud to offer same-day and next-day assembly and installation services right here in Fredericton. Our assembly and amp installation services include furniture assembly, play structure assembly, honey-do lists. But that's not all. We go above and beyond by offering a range of additional services, including junk removal, demolition, cleanup, moving, delivery, and storage solutions through our sister companies. This unique collaboration provides you with a comprehensive one-stop shop assembly and installation experience. HousePro Handyman Services is your trusted partner for assembly and installation needs in New Brunswick communities. Whether you're in Fredericton, Oromocto, Woodstock, St. John, or any neighboring area, we've got you covered. Why wait any longer? Contact HousePro Handyman Services today at 506-406-0919 and let us take care of all your assembly and installation needs. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to a more functional, hassle-free space with HousePro Handyman Services.